The issue about credit and subsidies, etc., I don't know who asked that question. These are things that we need to discuss a lot more. Why? Because it's not a one-sided thing. It's true, as the president said, any subsidy is a cost. It's a subsidy, but at the same time, it's a cost in the sense that somebody needs to be taxed somewhere to cover that subsidy. So that balance is one that needs to be struck. And I think also, which is when the subsidy is removed, it will be, prices will rise, as happened with the super petrol, and therefore that will be reflected in inflation. And there will be knock-on effects. Matatus will increase their prices. I'm told that now they've increased on the thicker roads and other places, Narok, I don't know.